Hi guys, Aniq here. Welcome to K2M Unboxing and Reviews. So what we have here today is this from Opteka. It's a GS3 Ultra Secure Double Grip Wrist Strap. You guys can see. So what it is, it's a wrist strap which goes onto your DSLR gear, and you're able to now hold your camera from the side, and that allows you to have like a more stable holding, and you're also able to attach it to your wrist. So if it falls, the camera won't fall. Your wrist is supporting it. So you guys can see that's the front. Nothing else. So we're just gonna go ahead and open it up. No instructions or anything. The only thing in the box was this. I'm going to go ahead and... So how this attaches would be from right about. So we're gonna go ahead and attach it now. Okay, so we've gone ahead and put it on. One thing you do want to note is that when putting it on, that you will have to remove the neck strap, which makes sense because it uses the same hooks that are on the side of the camera. If your camera has different hooks, maybe it might work, but for this model, the Sony A7, you will have to remove the neck strap. You guys can see it attaches pretty nicely on the side. You can attach it onto the right side too if that's what you prefer. Right now I have it on the left. I can put it on the right too here. For that, I can show you guys. What you'll have to do is you'll just have to take this and you can rotate it around. We're gonna go ahead and switch to the right side just so I can show you how it looks on that side. But before that, you guys can see, here we have the actual wrist strap, which actually goes here. It goes just onto my wrist, and then I can just hold it like so. And then this goes on my hand. So we're just gonna go ahead and switch to the right just so we can show you both sides. Okay, so we've gone ahead and put it onto the right side. Now, one thing I do want to say is that when this came, mine was situated so that it would go on your left side, which is why I installed it previously on my left. Now the thing is, when you're switching sides, what's gonna happen is that the wrist here, instead of being how it is right now, it's gonna be pointing in the opposite direction. So for that, you're gonna have to take the whole thing out. You're gonna have to replace this, like change the direction of the strap down here. And then you're gonna have to place this the right way, just so you can add it the right way. It's a little bit of a hassle, but I assume that once you have it done once, it's not something you'll need to keep on doing. So it's not bad, and it's really secure, which I really appreciate, and it won't really fall off. Also, making this tighter is also extremely easy, which I find really good. All I have to do is I have to take up the strap from here, and then I can just pull on it from here, and it just tightens, and then I put it back in. So I put it back in. And now I have the entire thing on my hand. Now what I want to show you is that now this is on my hand. Now let's say I want to take it off. There's a clip here. I can clip off the wrist. Okay, left hand is kind of hard. Okay, but I'm going to clip off the wrist, and now I can just use this as so. And this is still on my arm, so I don't have to keep taking it off, and this can just... And on top of that, let's say I'm going somewhere, this isn't going to be dangling around, and I just want to use this, right? This is a really good and like fast way to just do that. Now if you want to just attach it back on, go here, put it on, and I can attach it like so. There we are. Now on the bottom here, you guys can see, so this goes into your tripod mount. I have another place to add it in tripod mount. So over here we have this hand tripod thing. So we can go ahead and we can just, now there we are. Now we have the tripod on too. Just take this off real quick. So I just have the tripod on as well. We can change this into our tripod. There we are. So now we have an even more secure mount for our tripod, which is just built into the hand strap here. You guys can see. I find this really useful. I think it's a really nice way to just like upgrade your camera, and it's a really easy, I find it a really good way to just hold your camera with one hand. You don't really have a fear of making it fall now, and it's not too difficult to install either, and it's so yeah. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like this video, remember to subscribe to our channel, remember to hit the bell. Bye.